Number 30. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I hope that you try it anyway, but I'm guessing maybe you won't. All right, so number 30, you are finding the limit, and it's the limit as t approaches 0. And then you got ugly fraction, 2 plus t, 1 over 2 plus t minus 1/2, all over t. Oh, you know what? I hate pluses and t's. Look how ugly that is. Anyway, all right, so as we learned, you got different methods. Method number 1, take the number they give you, plug it in. However, obviously, right off the bat, if you try to plug in that 0 for t, you're going to get a 0 in the denominator, and we can't have that. Method number 2 is factoring, but you can't factor this. But we do have ugly fraction within a fraction. So we're going to take care of that. We're going to simplify. So we have to get a common denominator. Foreign exchange program, we're going to take that 2 right there, whoop, and multiply top and bottom over here by 2. And then this 2 plus t has to go foreign exchange program over here. So you're going to multiply top and bottom over here with 2 plus t. All right, so it looks kind of complicated. So in green down below, look at these beautiful colors. All right, so we get 2 over 2 times 2 plus t minus 2 plus t over 2 times 2 plus t. All right, that's all our numerator. It's a big, giant, ugly numerator. The only thing we have in the denominator is t. Now that you have a common denominator, you can combine these two fractions. All right, so we're going to combine them. It's 2 minus, be careful here, it's 2 plus t. Oh my gracious, my dogs are having a rodeo. It's 2 minus 2 plus t. That's on top. 2 times 2 plus t is on the bottom of the numerator, and then you have t down here. So we're almost done cleaning up. When you distribute the negative to both of these, you end up with 2 minus 2 minus t. Obviously, the 2's are going to cancel, and you're left with just negative t. All right, so we got negative t over 2 times 2 plus t. That's our numerator, and that whole thing is over t. I got to do some scooting. Scoot everybody up. Okay, I'm going to change colors. So here's what we're left with right here. And we said in class, when you get to the point where you just have one fraction on top, then it's time to write your division sideways. So here's my numerator. There's no need, by the way, to distribute this 2 down here in the denominator. I mean, you can, but there's no reason to. All right, so that's the numerator divided by t. And t is not a fraction, it's just t, which means really it's t over 1. When you divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal, which means flip that second one and multiply. And when that happens, your t's cancel, and you're left with negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus t. Okay, so originally the problem was find the limit as t approaches 0. Now that I've simplified here, I can go ahead and plug 0 in for t, and I get negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus 0, which is negative 1 over 4. And that's the limit. Wait, that's not a good circle. That's the limit.